In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view starred templates in Canva. If you've ever found a great template and tapped the little star to save it for later, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where all those favorites live so you can get back to creating in seconds. First, open Canva, and make sure you're on the home screen. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Projects option. It's your central hub for everything you've saved or organized in Canva. Go ahead and click Projects. This takes you to a clean, organized space where your folders, recent designs, uploads, and favorites are grouped together so you don't have to dig around across different parts of the app. Once you're in Projects, find the section labeled Your Starred and click it. This view gathers everything you've marked with a star, including templates you want to reuse. Think of it as your personal shortlist, curated by you, for you, so you can jump straight into a design you already know you like. Inside your starred, you'll see a grid of items you've favorited. If you've starred templates recently, they'll appear right at the top, ready to open. You can click any thumbnail to preview details, see the template pages, and start designing right away. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top to type a keyword from the template's name or style. You can also sort by most recent to bring your latest stars to the front, which is handy when you're working on a current campaign or a series of similar posts. If you don't see anything here, there are a couple of quick checks. Make sure you're signed into the correct Canva account, especially if you switch between personal and work profiles. Also, remember that your starred only shows items you've actually starred. The next time you browse templates, look for the star icon on the template preview and select it to save that item to this list. A few helpful habits make this even smoother. Consider giving your commonly used templates short, memorable names when you begin editing so they're easier to find later with search. If you collaborate with a team, make sure you're in the right workspace so your starred items match the projects you're working on together. And that's it. Click Projects, then your starred and your saved templates are all in one place. Keep starring the designs you love, and this view will become your fastest route to a polished, consistent look every time you create.